In this lecture, we are going to work on creating our order. Basically, we are going to work on order controller and order routes. Inside this controller folder, I will be creating the file order controller.js. First thing, I have to import order. Import order from, I will come inside this models, and then I'm just going to import this order model.js. And inside order model, we are referring product. So I'm just going to import product, and here I will write product model.js. As well as we are referring user. So I will be importing user model.js. As well as I'm just going to import this handle async error. Let me just open this product controller. From here, I'm just going to copy this imports. Copy and paste. Okay, for handling errors, we are just going to import this middlewares. Below this, I will write the comment. I will write create new order. Inside this, I will be creating the function. I will give the function name as create new order is equal to this entire function. I will be wrapping inside handle async error, and this will be async function request, response and next. Let me just change the spellings. Here I will be passing request. Here it will be response. And then for moving into next middleware, we are going to pass next. Now I have to destructure some data from request.body. So here I will be writing request.body. Let me open order model. I'm just going to split. Now from body, what data I have to destructure? I will copy the shipping info. Here I will be pasting. Then I need order items. I will copy. Here I will be pasting. Then I need payment info. Copy. Here I will be pasting. Then pay that I will not be taking from body. Item price, tax price, shipping price, total price. For all this, I have given default value, but still we need this data. I will copy, paste, tax price, copy. Here I will paste, shipping price, copy, paste, and finally we are having total price. So all these values I'm going to destructure from request.body. After destructuring, what I have to do? I have to create the order. I will write order, await, order.create. Inside this, I will be passing object of options. But here, whatever information I will be giving, that I have destructured from request.body. But while creating the order, what details I need? Let me come here. I need shipping info. I will pass whatever shipping info I will be passing here, that will be assigned to this property. Then next I need order items. Let me copy. Here I will be pasting. Then next I will be passing payment info. I will paste. Then I'm going to pass item price, copy, paste, tax price, copy, paste. Then shipping price, copy, paste, total price, copy, paste. And here we are having one property paid at. Let me come here. You can see now this property I'm going to copy. Inside this, I'm just going to give date.now. At what time my payment is done, that date will be stored inside this paid at. And finally, we are referring to user model. Inside this, I will be passing user, and whichever user is logged in, that ID I'm going to pass. You can either pass underscore ID or you can simply pass ID. So in this way, with all this information, I will be creating my order. Then finally, I'm just going to send the response. Now I will be closing this. Response.status. Status code will be 200. JSON method. Success will be true. And finally, whatever order we have created, that order I'm going to pass. Successfully, we have created this function. Now copy this function. Inside this routes, I will be creating one file. I will write order routes.js. And from here, I will copy this. Inside this, I will be pasting. I do not need all these things. I only want to import Express and I have initialized my router. And below this, I will be exporting router, copy and paste. And inside this, I will be passing router dot route. For creating the order, I will be passing the route as new order. And now we are creating the order. So inside this order controller, I will be passing status code as 201. Here I will be passing post request, inside which we will be passing this verify user auth. If the user is ordering the item, user should be logged in, and then I will be passing this function. Let me come here. I will copy this function. Inside this, I will be pasting. Remove last letter, hit enter. This function will be imported. And anybody can order the items. Let it be normal user as well as admin. So here we will not be passing authorization. Instead, we will only check whether user is logged in or not. Now once router is created, I will open app.js. Inside this, we have to pass the router. Here I will be passing order. I will come here, copy this. Inside this, I will be passing order. Then from where I have to import? I have to import from order routes.js. Now successfully, we have passed the middleware as well. And here, while importing, always pass .js. And here also, I will be passing .js. Now I will open Postman. Here, I have given email and password, and I'm just going to log in this user. Now successfully, user is logged in. Click on plus. From here, I will copy this. Here I will be pasting. Request will be post, and inside this I will be passing new slash order. I will select body. I will be selecting raw. Inside this I will be passing object of options. Now carefully you should see what information we have passed. I will just adjust my editor. Now first inside this we are having shipping info. Here I will be pasting, and this is nothing but object. And inside this object, I am having so many properties. So first we have to pass address. Here I will be passing 216 address line, separate by comma. Then we are having city, copy, paste. City, let me just write here Mysore. Then we are having state. State, I will be writing Karnataka. Then country, copy. Here I will paste. Country, I will be passing India. Then we are having pin code, copy. Here I will paste. Inside this, I will be passing this pin code. Then finally, we are having phone number. Okay, for this shipping info, I have passed this complete information. Separate by comma. Then we have to access this order items. Copy and paste. And this is nothing but array of object. Now let me open this order items. I will copy, paste. Inside this, I will give the name as product tree. Let me open all the products. I will click on send. I am having information of all the product. Inside this, I am having product tree. So that product tree I am going to pass. Then next we have to pass the price. Okay, later on when we are working with front end, all this information we do not have to pass. Directly from product, it will be accessing all the information. Then quantity, copy, paste, I will be passing 3. Then we are having image. I will simply pass product image. Okay, later on when we work with Cloudinary, we are going to see how to insert images. Then finally, we are having product, copy and paste. And inside this product, whatever product I am having, that ID I am going to assign. I will copy and here I will be pasting. Okay, in this way, we are going to pass order items. Then we are having payment info. Let me come copy this. Below this, here I will be passing payment info, and this is nothing but object. Inside this, we are having ID. Here simply I will be passing this is sample ID. Then next we are having status. Here status I will be passing processing. Then next what we are restructuring, shipping info, order item, payment info. We have item price. Let me come here, copy this item price. Below this I will be passing item price. For this I will be passing 300. Then here I will be passing tax price. Tax price, let me give 10, and this is nothing but number. So here I will be passing as number. Separate by comma. Then we are having shipping price, copy, paste. Shipping price I will be passing 50. Then we are having total price, copy and paste. So here total price I will be passing 960 because our quantity is 3. So later on we are going to multiply all the quantities. We will add all the values and that value we are going to store inside this total price. Okay, that's it. Only this information we are going to restructure from body, shipping info, order items, payment info, item price, tax price, total price and shipping price. And all this data we have got. Now let's see what happens. I will maximize this. I will open. I will click on send. You can see successfully I am able to create the response. Now here I am having order in which I am having complete shipping info. Inside this order item, I am having one item. Then whichever user is logged in, that ID will be stored. You can see user is logged in ending with 2877. So here also I will have that ID. Inside this payment info, whatever information I have passed, paid at exact current time will be stored. All these properties will be assigned. And for this order, we are going to have unique ID. And finally, we are having created at what time this order is created, that time will be present. By mistake, I have deleted that. No worries, I will be adding the structure again and we will be continuing with next functionality in our orders. Again, I will click on save. I will add new folder. I will give the folder name as order. And inside this request name, I will be passing create order and then click on save. Now I will open database. Inside this, you can see orders collection is created in which we are going to have our order, inside which we are going to have our complete order details.